First, peel and cut the potatoes, then boil them in salted water until they become soft. Drain the water and mash them well so there are no lumps left. Now add oil, salt, and corn flour. Mix everything properly and knead it into a soft but firm dough. Make sure to add enough corn flour so the dough gets a good structure and the noodles hold their shape easily. Now shape the dough into noodles, as shown in the video. Boil water in a pot, add a little salt, and drop the noodles in. When the noodles start floating on top, it means they are perfectly cooked. Remove them and immediately place them in cold water so they don't stick together. Now heat oil in a pan and add chili flakes, garlic chili powder, peas, and spring onions. Fry everything well until you get a nice aroma and flavor. Pour this hot, spicy mixture over the noodles and toss well, so every noodle is coated with flavor. Finally, garnish with extra spring onions and sesame seeds for an amazing look. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And in the comment section, write "yummy"